Okay guys, I'm going to be doing more of the wood today, soaking it in the Cedarcide and then putting it in the boxes, and we're going to try to get the light fixtures out today. I don't know, it kind of depends on how much time we have as to what all we're going to get done. So I'll just leave the camera rolling, I think. I'll either cut it down or time lapse it, one of the two. Alright, we'll get to work. These are just being held in with a flathead screwdriver, so hopefully I can get up there and just unscrew them and kind of pull them down and get the wiring undone. But honestly, I'm not even sure if I can actually reach them, because this is a 6-foot ladder. I'm guessing these ceilings are around 9 to 10 feet tall. I got about 4 feet in between those. So, we'll see. Alright, we'll see if we can get up here and get this thing undone. It is pretty tall up there, though. Pretty tall up there? Gosh, good English I have. I guess I ought to save these screws. They do match the fixture here. So it was being held up by the paint. That looks like old, almost fabric style electrical tape. And you know what? I'm not sure if I have any wire cutters. Might not have exactly been prepared for this today. I'll have to see if I have some wire cutters. You know what? Before I do this, I'm actually gonna run upstairs real quick and I'm gonna check the breaker box just to make sure that it's off. I know the electricity to the building's off, but better to be safe than sorry. Okay, so all the breakers, can't see. All the breakers were still on, so now they are off. I mean, like I said, I know the electricity's off, but it's just better to be safe, especially when you're cutting wires. All right, one down. You want to know the thing that's really bad? It looks like there's plaster up here. I thought it was drywall, but I think it might be plaster. I don't know how well you guys could see that. Probably not very well. I don't have a cameraman to be filming with me, so I don't have anybody to take close-up shots really. Sorry. So that floor is actually like 4 inches shorter because we took out all the wood. See if I can still reach them over there. This was obviously some of the updated electrical over here. This one has some screws holding it in. So they obviously took out the original flat head screws that were holding in and put in some Phillips head screws. So I guess I'm going to have to get my other screwdriver to take this one out. I'm going to get the bulb first. I'm not even sure it can reach all the way up there. So far, all these bolts look like they were good. Still. So it turns out I actually had another flathead in my toolbox on a Phillips head. I'm not sure if I should try to reach up there with my drill and get that down, or maybe just bring the correct tool. I don't know. Obviously they did some patchwork in here. They got that drywall right there. That's probably why I thought that the whole ceiling was drywall, because of that one right there. But I don't think it is now. I think it's all plaster. Which is a ton of weight when you think about it. That's a lot of weight up there. Be pulling down on that upstairs flooring. Let's see if I can get this one down safely. Okay, almost had a fire in here. That bulb is probably broken. I'm surprised it didn't shatter. Okay guys, with this one I'm going to be a little more cautious. I'm going to take the, what the hell do you call it? Shade? Light shade? Anyway, I'm going to take that off first because if I accidentally drop it, that's the only one that I've seen in the whole building. So I don't want it to get broken. Pretty heavy too. Okay, so not as much progress today as I was hoping, but we're almost done with treating the wood and got the light fixtures removed. Most of the kitchen is done. I still have one little section of flooring that I have to get out of there. Dumpster's empty, so tomorrow maybe I can finish getting the flooring out and get some more trash put in the dumpster. We still have this problem with this piano. We got to get it out of here before we start taking the ceiling down and stuff. So I got to try to solve that next week. I'm not sure what to do about the piano. So anyway, hopefully I'll be back tomorrow and we can get some more work done. We got to start removing doors. Whew. Piping, ducting, see if we can get these furnaces out. We'll have to take them out in pieces. And I think there's a recycling place over, like the next town over. So hopefully we can take them there and they can figure out what they want to do with them. It's either that or, I guess the other thing is I could see if somebody wants basically antique furnaces. I mean, maybe they restore them? I don't know. I'll have to figure out how to get them out of here because they gotta go. So anyway, that's it for today. Please like, subscribe, hit the little bell notification. What else? Oh yeah, Facebook, Patreon, Twitter, and Instagram. Links are below. Yeah, I think that's it for now. And, oh, also, I do have some Amazon affiliate links, in case anyone's interested in anything that I have listed down there. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay. All right, we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.